Yeah, what's up, guys? Maggie Guitar is back with another episode of lesson for today. Okay, yeah, for today. So I just want to do some breakdowns on the highlife chords I just played on my previous video. So I would like you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end, so that you don't miss any part I'm going to show you. Okay, so that you don't miss any part I'm going to show you. And I believe after watching this video, you're going to learn one or two things, okay, that will help and enhance your playing skill, okay? So if it's the first time you're watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay, so you don't miss any time I upload a video like this, okay, guys? So a shout out to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. You guys have made me proud of myself, okay? Thanks for making my work more easier. So after watching this video, I would like you to, drop your comment on the comment section, how you feel about it, okay? What is the challenges and what next you want me to do about it, okay? So what I was playing was, okay? So they are just simple material you can apply when you are playing work. Simple when you are playing your 1, 4, 5. Very simple, okay? So when you want to do as if you are moving the chord, okay, like translating the chord to another jazzy sound, okay, depending on those 9th and 7th chord that I'm applying into it, okay? Like now, this is your key of F, and you have your key of F here again, okay? Okay, so let me bring this close now so that I can see my fingers, okay? Okay, so now you have your key of F here again, okay? Okay, so this is your 1 chord. Do, fa, so, do. Very simple. But the thing is that you're not going to play like that. You're going to play as if you're moving the note from your. Okay. Okay. So you just move the chord like that from your do. You add your 7th, which is the do. Okay. Then go to your va. Va, va, la, sol, si, fa, mi. Okay. Okay. Then you now play again something like that. Okay. Something like that. Okay, you are kind of as if you are playing a kind of a rhythm, okay? So this is what I was playing, okay? Okay, so now I'm starting from that do, go to the do. Okay, it's just like me playing my normal do like this. Okay, but I add the do. Okay, I add the do because this is okay. Do, la. Okay, so do, which is the 7th chord. Okay, so now what I'm doing is like playing my do chord like this. I hold it like this. Okay, add that do, then add the re. Okay, in musical term, re is called the 9th. Okay, re is called the 9th because why is it called the 9th? It's called the 9th in another intervals. Okay, they call 9th re 9th in a jazzy way. Okay, if you want to call a jazzy chord re in a jazzy way, it's called 9th chord. That's why they call it 9th. Okay, and that's why I'm saying it's F9. Okay, so I place my finger on the root, which is the do, then the other one on the mi, then my ring finger on the do, then my pinky on the re. That is F9. That is a F9, F major 9. Okay, so I'm now taking it to a kind of a jazzy way. Okay. Just like I should play Tor, but I played. Okay, that is Tor. That is what I'm playing there. Do. It's just the way I'm playing it. The do. Yeah. Okay, I'm playing it with the harmony. Okay, and adding melody. I'm playing from the do root. Do. Okay, I first play the roots. Okay. Do. Okay. Anyhow, you can hold it. Now going to the va. This is your normal va. Okay, now this va I add the more. Okay, on the second string there. Okay, so what I'm playing there in the musical tape, that is a B flat 9. Okay, sorry, B flat 7. That's a B flat 7 because this key that F is, that the va is, that is a B flat shape. Okay, that is a B flat shape. So since it's a major chord, okay, you can call it B flat 7, but it's va in the key of F. It's va in the key of F. So now what I'm adding there is just the top, sorry, the more, because this is re, and this is top, more, sorry, which is the flat 10. Okay, adding the more. Okay, then now going to the saw. The saw, I just play the re, saw, the normal saw, then add the va. Okay, then do the normal F do chord. Okay, so now I'm going to the so kind of a striking. I'm striking the chord from the root. Okay, striking from the root. Okay, then go back again to that va. Okay, now I play from the do 7, the 7th. Okay, F7. Sorry, that is a F7. Okay, now from the F7, I go to the E7. Okay, I just play these 3 notes, the do, mi, and do. Okay, so in that F shape, key of F shape, that should be T, more, and la, T, more, and la. Okay, but in musical terms, okay, in key signatures is key of E7. Okay, your root, the mi, your third, and your 7. So from the F7 to the E7, then I go from now and play the D diminished. Okay, and I go from now and play the D diminished. Okay, so why I play the D diminished is that instead of playing your va now, coming to play your va now, I have my la here. Okay, this place is la, the key of D here is la. Okay, so this is do. So I turn that la into a diminished. Okay, into a diminished chord. Okay, so I have the la here. Then add my more. Okay, this is the la. Add my more on the 4th string. Then I add my fi. Then add do. Okay. Okay, that gives me a diminished sound. Okay. So now the diminished sound, okay, comes in at the point of me playing va. So I'm trying to play a fi chord now because of this fi. that is sounding out there on the third string. Okay. Okay, so that gives me a diminished. So I can play. Okay, so the next chord is okay. This one is just like playing me. Okay. This is your normal me in the key of F. Okay, just like playing me. So what I'm playing there is in musical term, okay, in key signature is A minor 7. That is an A minor 7. Because this is the root. There's your minor 7. Okay. But in the key of E, that is me. That is me. Okay. Then you go to your saw. Okay, so I believe for the advanced player, this key of C here. So if you add your third, okay, the third there is a VAR in the key of F. So if you add the third there, okay, let's assume that is the key of C. So when you add the third there, that gives you a C7. Okay, that gives you a C7. But the music in the key in that key of F, what I'm playing there is a sol ti fa sol ti fa sol. Okay. Okay. Then to your one, the normal do chord in the key of F. Okay, you can hold the bar chord. Okay. Okay, so you work on that, okay, practice that, and if you don't understand, you can drop it on the comment section. I will try as much to remove breakdown that, okay. So guys, thanks for watching. I would like to get your comment and your likes as well, okay. So whenever you don't understand, drop it on the comment section, okay. All right guys, we'll see you in the next video.